Calm is always beneath the noise of business pressure. I want you to really know that today, that no amount of planning or hustling or fixing will ever create lasting peace. No amount of expectations of what your business should look like and how well, whatever that means, it should be doing. Calm is the starting place for everything that I endeavour to do in my life and business. And don't think I get that right all the time, because I don't. But I want you to know that sometimes all it takes is a brief pause or a breath to see that that calm is always there. It's beneath the noise of targets and deadlines. That clarity makes business feel good and also leads to a business that is well run too, because then you're making decisions from here and not so much from your old thinking up there. I hope that's helpful. My wish is for you to have a well-run, good-feeling business, and if that's something that resonates with you, then please do reach out and say hi. Take care. Lots of love.